Good day, everyone. You're welcome to the lesson of today. My name is Adedayo Adegoke, and today we are considering the subject Basic Science and Technology. Our focus is on science, and our topic is energy. Energy. We'll be looking at the forms and concepts of energy. Energy. That's what we want to look at today. Now, at the end of this lesson, you should be able to define energy, list the two major types of energy, then mention the forms of energy that we have. Okay, like I said earlier, our topic is energy. And what is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. Very simple. Energy is the ability to do work. Can you do any work? Can you ride a bicycle? Can you lift some weight? Can you ride some nuts? Can you jump up? Can you get something for mommy? Stand up from where you are and get something for mommy, or do something for daddy? That is energy. That means if you can do it, you have energy. Energy is the ability to do work. You have the ability to do work. That's energy. There is power, there is ability to do work. That's energy. Okay? When someone has energy, it makes the person vibrant. The person is able to do a lot of things, a lot of activities revolve around you. You can sweep, you can cook, you can write, you can run, you can sit, you can stand, you can shout, you can jump, you can do different things when you have energy. If you're at home, you do the things. If you're outside the home, you do things. That's what energy does. It helps someone to do a lot of things. Okay, like I said earlier, energy helps people to do things. It's the ability to do things. And it is energy that makes change possible. Like now, the broom is somewhere there. And because you have energy, you move it from where it is to another place. There is a change. But if somebody does not have energy, or if there is no energy, that thing will just be there. There will be no change. Energy is the ability to do work, and energy is measured in joules, okay? Just like work, okay? And there are multiple or different kinds of energy. We are going to be talking about them. Now, I said earlier that energy has two basic types and various forms. What are the two basic types? We have potential energy, and then we have kinetic energy. Potential energy and kinetic energy. You can pronounce it kinetic or kinetic. The two are correct according to the dictionary. So we have potential energy and kinetic energy. What is potential energy? What is kinetic energy? That's what we'll be looking at next. Okay, what is potential energy? This is energy that is not used. That is energy at rest. Take note, energy at rest. The energy is there, but you are not using it. Listen, people who are very sick, sometimes they cannot move on their own. They are just lying down on the bed like that. They need somebody to lift them up. That one is not energy. They don't have the energy to do the things they can do. But when someone who is not sick is lying down on the bed, the person might not be sleeping, just lying down there fully awake and not doing anything. Now, that person has energy, but the person is not doing anything. So that is potential energy. There is potential, but it is not used. That is energy at rest. Okay, the energy is not doing anything. Okay, this is an example of energy at rest. Energy that is not doing anything is just there. The ability is there. Then we have kinetic energy. This is energy in motion. You know, cars are always in motion when they are on the road. Energy in motion, that is energy that is working, that is doing something. That's energy in motion. Like you are doing whatever it is that you are doing, you are applying your energy. Okay, look at this picture. We have kinetic energy moving, then potential. This cyclist is here, not really doing anything, probably balancing. Then it comes down. While it is coming down, the energy is in motion. As it is going up, energy is in motion. Here, not really doing anything. That's why it is tagged potential. And here, coming down. That's energy in motion. That's kinetic energy. Okay, look at potential energy here again. This person is holding a ball. As in the ball, nothing has been done to the ball is just there. Okay, but now the person has used energy to throw the ball down, and that is kinetic energy, from potential to doing something about it. Now take note that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, though it can be changed from one of its form to another. That is, you can change it from one form to another. And energy is measured in joule. I said once again that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, though it can be changed from one of its form to another. And also that energy is measured in joule. Please take note of that. Energy is measured in joule. 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 Now we have different forms of energy. We have energy that comes from heat. That is, when there is heat, something is done. Do you know that without heat, our food will not be cooked? Do you know? It is the heat from the fire that makes the water to boil and makes the hard substance to do what? To become soft. So we have energy from heat. We have energy from light. That's what we call light energy. You know, I said we have two types and then different forms. The types are energy that is used and energy that is not used, which is the one that is not used is potential and the one that is used is kinetic. But these are the various forms that we have: heat energy, light energy, sound energy, magnetic energy, electrical energy, chemical energy. Take note of all these types because you are going to be writing on them. So like I said earlier, we have light energy, we have electric energy. You know electric energy. From the office of PHCN, they put on the light and everybody in your street at the same time, the light comes on in every house. That is electric energy. And not only that, you can use it for whatever you want to use it for. You know, in the house, you use electricity for a lot of things, to make your TV work, to do a lot of things. The power of that electricity helps you to do a lot of things in the house. So we talk about energy, ability to do work. So electricity can help you to do things for you. We have thermal energy, then we have nuclear energy. We are going to be talking about them later on. We have various forms, like I mentioned: electrical energy, thermal energy, light. Some of them you'll not be learning now, you'll be learning later on, but you are still going to learn lots of them now. Light energy, green energy, wave energy, heat energy, hydroelectric energy, solar energy, wind energy, nuclear energy, tidal energy, biomass energy, kinetic energy, geothermal energy. These are the various forms that we have. But take note, you are going to learn only the one that really concerns you. Okay, we have seen I've mentioned some types to you before. We have nuclear energy, like nuclear fission inside the earth core. We have mechanical energy, like moving a car. A car uses mechanical power to move. There's a battery in the car, and it is the battery that makes the car to move. And the battery is made up of different chemicals, different things put together. Okay, we have electrical, like you can see, from powerhouse, from power lines, and also from lighting. We have electromagnetic, from electronics. And then we have electromagnetic. The way electricity works is like magnets. Like I told you, they put it on at the PHCN office, and everybody in the street have lights at the same time. That is electromagnetic energy. Now, this is an example of mechanical energy. You can see it. It is the mechanics of the battery that makes this machine to work. Okay, it is a machine. It is the mechanical energy put together that makes it to work. We have solar energy. I'm sure you are very familiar with this subject. This is the sun. So solar energy is the energy that comes from the sun. You know that we need the sun to do a lot of things, to dry our clothes, and then we also use the sun to power a lot of things too. Now we have the solar panel. It is charged by the sun, and then what happens? The battery life of this solar panel helps you to do a lot of things in the home, to give you light and do a lot of other things, to charge your phones, do a lot of things. We also have light energy. Light does a lot of things for us. It helps us, it makes a dark place become very bright, right? We use light a lot. Sometimes during daytime, when it is about to rain and everywhere gets cloudy, everywhere becomes not so bright. We need light energy. Then we have heat energy. Like I mentioned earlier, it is the heat that comes from this fire that makes our cooking, our frying possible. Okay, and sometimes the heat, transfers to the handle of this. That's why this person, look at the hand. The hand is affected by the heat that is coming out from this fire. So we have heat energy. It is heat that helps us to get some things done. We have chemical energy. Engine accelerates car, and engine maintains vehicle speed. Okay, this is we have different energy working here together. Look at this. Engine accelerates car, making the chemical part of the car to work together with the kinetic. Okay, so chemical energy works with kinetic energy. The chemical is one that turns to kinetic, and then the tires work together with the road. Everything works together. We have chemical energy there, kinetic energy there. See, the chemical starts, then it gets to the kinetic, then from the kinetic it gets to the thermal energy. Then we have nuclear energy. Nuclear has to do with the air, as in the atmosphere. Okay, there are a lot of things that happen in the atmosphere. I'm very sure you are familiar with aeroplanes flying. Okay, that's one area of nuclear energy. As you can see, a lot of activities take place in the atmosphere. There are a lot of gases that are released into the atmosphere, and they have their duties that they do. They have their functions that they perform. Then we have sound energy. We have sound energy. Sound helps us to get a lot of things done. When there is sound, people can hear, and that is one area of sound energy. Not only that, when you want to reach a lot of people, you cannot just use only your voice. There are a lot of things that I use now, the microphone, the megaphone, to reach a lot of people. That's one area of sound energy. Then we have electrical energy. I've mentioned this before. You know, these cables, these power cables, they do what? They help to transfer electrical power from the source to all the people that need it, to every homes. That's the area of electrical energy. You know, these are electrical they are tools that help to get electricity, you know, from the source to everybody that use it. Now, note also that the two forms of energy from the sun, which is heat energy and light energy, are natural, but others have to be obtained by conversion from other types. Every other form of energy, like the chemical, it is not natural. Man mixes a lot of things together to make it work. So apart from heat energy and light energy, the other forms of energy are not natural. They are converted from other types. Okay, we have seen in this lesson that energy is ability to do work. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed, though it can be changed from one of its form to another form. And energy is measured in joule. Okay, you have to answer these questions. Number 1, define energy. 2, list the 2 major types of energy. And 3, mention the forms of energy that you know. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day and be happy. Take note, remember, next week we are going to be having a test. So please take note, our mid-class test. We are going to be having it next week for all the subjects. All the activities you have gone through, you are going to be tested on them. Enjoy the rest of your day.